welcome you all to our Center for International Affairs and Cooperation. We are here to help you and provide all kind of facilities so that your experience over here becomes peaceful and a source for inspiration for yourself. UIU is one of the top-ranked private university. It is enlisted in the QS ranking worldwide, and it has two schools at present. One is School of Science and Engineering, and another is School of Business and Economy. We have very good scholarship program where actually we provide 20% of our students, they get scholarship which is worth of around $1.5 million per year. So if you come over here then and you prove yourself and with a reasonable grade, then probably you'll be entitled to get a scholarship and tuition waiver, and you will be actually that tuition fee with waiver will be much more affordable over here.
Hello everyone, my name is Jennifer Hussain. I'm the Assistant Director of Center for International Affairs and Cooperation at United International University. So we welcome all the international students to our university and to enjoy our education, and we are here to give the facility to the students, to the teachers, faculties and staffs as well. So we are always here, dedicated souls to help you. Hope you will enjoy studying at our university. Thank you very much.
Assalamu alaikum. It's me, Muhammad Farooq Mia. I am working as a Senior Executive Center for the International Affairs and Cooperation. So we are welcoming international students as we are the international standard universities in Bangladesh. As I am working directly with the international students, I can help you each and every regards in Bangladesh for accommodation, for scholarship, and the tuition fees is very affordable. Tuition fees in UIU, United International University. Also inside the university you can find it the ATM booth, bookshop. You know, we have a big cafeteria that you can eat. You can get all kinds of food available. So for the Somali student, I can say one thing that Sodo Jamada United International University.
Hello everyone, I'm Abdussamad Yarushik Ibrahim. I'm from Somalia. I'm a student of United International University, Department of Master of Development Studies, MDS.
Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Adam Dual Ali. I am one of the international students in United International University, Faculty of Business and Economics, Department of Development Studies.
My name is Abdurrahman Ibrahim Noor. I'm from Somalia. I'm one of the students of MDS of United International Universities in Badda.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh. Wa walaalkiin maskiinka Ilaahay Cabsama Yarushik Ibrahim oo mar kale idin hor muuqanaya. Maanta waxaan joognaa oo ka hadli rabnaa jaamacadda United International University. Asi ajaanibta waxay leedahay opportunity scholarship. Marka is register ganaysa admission time waxaa leedahay 10%. waxaa kaloo leedahay haddii brother and sister laba ruux oo dhalatay aad tahay waxay leedahay scholarship kale. Scholarship kale waxa waaye CGPA fiican hadaa kadib scholarship helaysid.